PointZero Cake Airbrush Decorating Kit. Though this one works well for beginners, it's a kit that's also suitable for well-advanced pastry chefs and professionals. It features the PZ258, PZ260, and PZ276 airbrushes, ideal for all kinds of decorating. The kit is perfect for covering large areas as well as doing more detailed stuff. It comes with an Elite 125X compressor powered by a 15 HP motor. All airbrushes feature single and dual action, which makes the kit one of the most versatile. Single action is easier to use and less prone to clogging. It takes a single press of the trigger to release both paint and air. The dual action takes a bit of practice, but it's the best one for precise and detailed designs. PointZero Cake Airbrush Decorating Kit includes 12 paints, 0.64 ounces each. The paints are highly concentrated, non-toxic, and completely safe. You'll especially love the colors if you're vegan or lactose intolerant because each is dairy-free. You also get 7 airbrush guides to help you achieve ultimate results.